Hi, today we're going to be doing the Upcycling for Nature Wild Challenge. So what you need is a little bit of inspiration from nature, some space and recycling to take part. Have a look at in your recycling bin, and for things that you might be throwing out, make sure that they're clean and washed for you to use. Have a look for things like old magazines, tin foil, old plastic, and even things like old clothing to use for this challenge. Other things you might need are scissors, glue, sellotape, and pens, and if you have them, things like googly eyes to decorate your creatures. Have a look around at what you see flying and buzzing about. Today I'm taking inspiration from some of the dragonflies and butterflies that are starting to appear. Making wings from things like tin foil and sweetie wrappers and paper give different textures and colours. Then using pen to add veins helps to the wings. The bodies themselves, I'm using old clothes pegs, which you can then decorate with fabric or with pen to create the wonderful colours that you want. When you have a range of different insects from your recycled material, why not string them together with string or with wire to create your own mobile to have these flying recycled creatures wherever you are.